First World Pilipinas sa BPK.
So here we have our Agarwood products. We have the oud oil. Each bottle is 1 liter, and 1 liter contains 83 tola. 1 tola is equal to 12 ml. So there are 4 bottles here possible for purchase. We'll see. Next thing we have is the Agarwood resin. So when you smell it, it's very strong. So these are just one of the products that we're gonna buy as well. Then most importantly, we have the coffee and the tea. So this is the tea for the sample packaging. So we're gonna bring it out there to Dubai and so that they can try it and test it out to see if it's something they like. Then we have the coffee. So these are what the coffee bags are gonna look like, and I'm not too sure what the grams are for the weight, but we'll find out later. 350 grams of coffee per bag. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna bring this out there too. Oh, before I forget, we have the bracelets. Very beautiful. They smell really nice, woody, sweet, and yeah, they would look good on me. So, and last but not least, we have our Agarwood chips. So as you can see, this is just one of the pieces, and honestly, it's quite beautiful. The carving, just the shape, you know. So we have a lot here that we're gonna bring out to Dubai, and yeah, that's it for now. When we bring it there to our future clients, we hope you like it. We hope it's a product of quality for you guys, and yeah, hopefully this is something we can do going forward, and the trust between us and you guys can be established. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon. Take care.
Join us, First World Pilipinas sa BPK. Agarwood ng bayan sa BPK. Miryong pangkabuhayan sa BPK. Halina't sumali sa BPK. Gusto mo ba ng negosyo na tunay na halaga, Agarwood na produkto? Mataas ang pag-asa kontra growing system. Suportado ka talaga, negosyong makabayan. Milyon sa bulsa, pag-angat ng kabuhay na
This is what's called udnim.
Malasensis. Oh, that one is Krasna.
Krasna?
Krasna. This one is Malasensis.
This is more.
Join us, First World Pilipinas sa BPK.